particle moves with the acceleration function a of t equals cosine t plus sine t. Its initial velocity is v of 0 equals 5 meters per second, and the initial displacement is at time 0, we are at 0 meters. Find the position after t seconds. So first, when it says after t seconds, they're saying find the equation. So we are looking for the position equation, and we are starting with acceleration. So that means I need two antiderivatives. So I have a of t equals cosine t plus sine t. And my first antiderivative is going to give me velocity. So the antiderivative of cosine is sine, and the antiderivative of sine is negative cosine. And then I need a plus c. Now, y'all know that the derivative of something that starts with a c is negative, but not the antiderivative. If it helps you, and it helps me, I always take the derivatives to check. So the derivative of sine is cosine, and the derivative of cosine is a negative sign times a negative gives me the positive sign, so that's correct. Now in this example, they gave me an initial velocity, so I can use that right now and actually solve for my c. So my velocity is 5 when time is 0. So I have sine of 0 minus cosine of 0 plus c. Now in my unit circle, 0 is right here. Sine is the height, so sine is just 0, and cosine is the x value, so it is 1 to the right. So I have 5 equals 0 minus 1 plus c. So to solve for c, I'm going to add 1 to each side, and I have c equals 6. So my velocity equation is sine t minus cosine t plus 6. Now I need to do the antiderivative again to get my position function. In this case, they called it s. So I have s of t equals, the antiderivative of sine is a negative cosine. The antiderivative of cosine is just sine. The cosine already has a negative, so I will keep it. Oh, I didn't write the 6 in. So this is a 6. And the antiderivative of that 6, this is like a 6t to the 0, becomes a 6t. And then I need a plus c because I've taken the antiderivative again. I go up here to the top, and s of 0 is 0. So I'm going to plug 0 in for both the position and time. So I have negative cosine of 0 minus sine of 0 plus 6 times 0 plus c. Cosine of 0 is 1, so this is a negative 1. Sine of 0 is 0, so this is 0, and then the 0 is 0. So I plus c, and that means c equals 1. You are not done until you write in the 1 for the c. So my position function is s of t equals a negative cosine t minus sine t plus 6t plus 1. And that is the position equation in terms of t.